Hello, welcome to Breaking Sign, where we bring you the latest in architecture innovation. Today, have you ever wondered how to design a house that can face the forested climate of a mountainous area, while being elegant and cozy? If so, you might want to check out this amazing architectural project, named Noah House, located in Valle de Bravo, Mexico. This house is a creation of Cadavala Studio, a design team that aimed to create a space that can harmonize with the surrounding nature, while offering comfort and privacy to its inhabitants. In this article, we will explore the main features and inspirations of this cozy, functional, and aesthetically captivating residence. Create privacy and harmony. One of the main features of the house is how it is composed of two volumes of different sizes, which reduce the impact of its scale and give privacy to its programs. The house faces the green meadow of the Rancho Avándaro golf course, which offers a beautiful view and a contrast with the forest. The house is arranged in a L shape, with the smallest volume containing the public programs, such as the living room, the dining area, and the mezzanine, and the longest volume containing the private programs, such as the bedrooms, the cellar, the parking, and the service areas. The house is connected by the kitchen, which acts as the articulator of the two bodies, and by the large covered terrace, which acts as the extension of the living room. The forested climate. Another important feature of the house is how it incorporates porticos and double heights, which are strategically conceived to face the forested climate characteristic of the region. These architectural elements not only provide shelter from the rain and the sun, but also adapt effectively to the environment, creating a home that harmonizes with the surrounding nature. The porticos create shade and cover terraces on the ground floor, and also create a sense of openness and connection with the sky and the landscape on the upper floor. The double heights create a spacious and airy feeling in the house, and also allow natural light and ventilation to enter the house. A porous and flexible space. The house also has a large covered terrace, which is the most active space of the house. The terrace acts as an extension of the living room, and also as an intermediate space between inside and outside. The terrace is a porous and flexible space that has a direct connection with the garden and the pool, and also laterally with the kitchen. The terrace is a space where the inhabitants can enjoy the view of the golf course and the forest, and also relax and socialize with their guests. The terrace is a space that reflects the lifestyle and the preferences of the inhabitants, who wanted a space that can suit different occasions and moods. Contrast and a balance. The house also uses concrete and volcanic stone, which are the main materials of the house. The house plays with the perception of these materials by inverting the order, creating a contrast and a balance between the base and the upper part of the house. The base is made with a smooth material, without texture, and with a lighter appearance, while the upper part is composed of a heavier material, with a rough texture and greater visual presence. The concrete base is transferred to the interiors of the house, creating a sense of continuity and stability, while the stone of the upper part becomes a wooden paneling, providing great lightness, warmth, and comfort to the inside. Noah House is a beautiful and harmonious house that can face the forested climate of a mountainous area, while being elegant and cozy. The house is a perfect example of how to design a space that can harmonize with the surrounding nature, while offering comfort and privacy to its inhabitants. The house is a space that reflects the beauty and simplicity of the natural materials, and how they can create different effects and moods in the house. The house is a space that offers the inhabitants a variety of options and experiences, and how they can enjoy the view and the lifestyle of the area.